Hey, it's Godaddy here, and today I'm going to show you how to add a domain to your hosting package at Siteground. Now, I really like to use Siteground. They have great customer support and they have really fast website speeds. I switched over from GoDaddy and I've also used HostGator, and Siteground is my ultimate favorite host. And I'll have a link in the description below. You can click on there if you're not with Siteground yet. I highly recommend their service. Now you'll have to have a Grow Big or a Go Geek hosting package with them before you can add more than one website. A lot of you only have one website, so it doesn't matter to you. So this video is not for you. But if you do have multiple domains, which I have a ton, I'm going to show you how to add those onto your hosting package. So what we're going to do is go to My Accounts tab up at the top. And then after that, we're going to click on this orangish red cPanel button here on the left. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you something real quick. These are all of the domains that I have. So I'll have to pick one of these. I'm going to start a new website called Dina Colada Digital. So I'm going to go to the cPanel here, and I copied that so I don't have to type it out, so I don't have any misspellings. The next thing you're going to want to do is go to Add-on Domains, and then I'm going to actually just paste in my .com there. And then I'm going to put in a password. Make sure you remember your password, and then simply click, you can actually see which websites I have on this hosting package already. And then I'm going to actually click Add Domain. All right, Dina Colada Digital is added to my hosting package. And hopefully this video has been helpful to you, and now you know how to do it and you don't even have to call customer support. So if you like this video, please click the like button and leave a comment with any questions that you have. I love to create tutorials for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.